So we're breaking down our axe kicks. Mansour, will you get your guard stance for me?
Yes, sir.
So if I'm choosing to kick with my right leg and I want to throw an axe kick, I got to make sure to do the axe kick from the back side. So I'm going to bring the kick up this way. All right? And the target is right on the collarbone. A lot of times students think the axe kick is on top of the head. It's not on top of the head. It's coming down right on the collarbone. Now, if Mansour switch your guard stance. If he's in his guard stance number 2, and I'm still in my guard stance 1, if I do the same axe kick, he can block it easy. He's just going to go like this. He's just going to block that kick. Yeah, easy, he blocks. So the rule for axe kick, guys, is you're going to sneak the axe kick from behind their back and then come down on their shoulder. All right, ready, hands up. So I come this way, and I'm coming, ooh, he's quick, he's blocking it. All right, so I'm coming, boom, down. Coming down on the collarbone. All right, so the rule is, whichever side their back is to, that's the side you sneak your axe kick up from. All right, he's good. He's good at blocking sometimes axe kicks. So you might have to combine your axe kick with another combination to really be stealthy with it. Okay? But remember the rule, axe kick comes from which side? The back side, your opponent's back side, not the front side where they're open to block. Okay? Hope these details help you. So guard stance. Another detail on our axe kick. So sometimes I'll use the axe kick to kind of rake the guard. And sometimes you might have to get a little bit more reach. So here are 2 details for you. You're going to use your hips to reach forward. So as Mansour, will you back up when I throw my axe kick? And so I'm going to kind of push my hips forward as if I'm stepping over the fence. Okay? So I want you guys to get a little bit more reach on your axe kick. Back in. As we're here, guard stance, sometimes I'll use that extra reach to kind of come down and rake the guard here, and then I'm coming in with my follow-up. All right? So, guard stance, Mansour comes in for the axe kick, boom, and then maybe he can catch an arm, but you got to set it in front. So you go in, and then you're following with your jab cross. All right, ready? Reach the hips forward, boom, set it in front, buddy, set it in front. So you got to kick, and you got to come down right inside the pocket, 1, 2. All right, ready? Go. That's it. Okay, so make sure, 2 more details for you. Reaching forward with the hips and use your axe kick, not just to hit to the collarbone, but maybe to rake the guard down. All right, thanks for watching.